Oh my God, hi. Hi, let's go. So I arrived. I was just in Hawaii. I went for a client meeting and I'm back in LA right now, and I want to go to the venue. We're doing a special 40th birthday party tomorrow, and let's go. You are hilarious. Let's go, come on. I just came out of the airport at LAX. I hate the LAX airport. I was there for a couple of days for a production meeting for a grand opening that I'm doing for a very nice luxury brand that I happen to be a great fan of. So I'm super excited that I ended up getting this gig. It's quite a big project, and the installation is a couple of days. So I'm going to have my crew and I go down there at the end of the month to work on this project. So now we're on our way. It's my sister-in-law's 40th birthday party at a club called the Sunset Room, which happens to be really a beautiful spot. It's just remodeled, and the owners of the venue are quite nice people, and he's offered us a really great spot to do this party, and it's going to be off the charts. Anyways, I've been paying attention to all the comments that you guys have been making on my YouTube channel. I've learned that whatever you put out in the universe, meaning I'm trying to do these videos, and really the purpose of the videos is really to inspire people. And what I'm seeing people do is, like, they send out some negative comments, and of course I'm getting a lot more positive comments than negative comments, but I just don't understand. I mean, like, if you guys had that much power and that much knowledge and you were able to do the videos, then I suggest you do them better than I do. So maybe I shouldn't say that because it's a little angry, but it's anyways. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at the stadium. One day I'll be on that stage teaching thousands of people how to do beautiful designs. Who has it? Paper Mart has it. Can you make sure that they might be able to get it delivered for tomorrow?
Okay.
We are almost at the venue. It took us quite a while. It was very busy and trafficy, but that's LA for you. And it took about probably an hour and 15 minutes to get to the venue from the airport. So super excited, kind of nervous and super excited at the same time. I want to see what's done and what hasn't been done. I know that from my conversations with the crew, there's still a lot of variable questions. They don't know where things need to go, even though I've discussed it a million times. I think my eyes needed right now, the most important thing, in giving you a sense of direction of where I want things to be placed and how I want it to be placed. Just give me a little bit of time, and we're gonna go inside the venue. Let's go. Hey, so we're at the venue now. I just parked the car, and I'm anxious to go see what it looks like. You don't want to be on camera? Come on, I'll make you a superstar. Nice. Hey guys. Hi.
We got all the draping going on already.
Yeah.
Just we got the walls for you over here. Let's go.
Okay. Well, there's too much furniture in here right now.
Yeah.
Way too much.
Do you have any idea where we're gonna put those walls?
Yeah, I do have an idea. One is going there, one is going there, one is going there, one is going there. So anything past this, guys, don't put it. And just, you can go up to here. As long as it doesn't, interfere, you're okay. You see this line right here? Don't let it pass this line.
Okay.
Because if you put one, like if you want to put one right here, you're okay. You see?
Yeah, I see this one.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, you just need to wrap it around so you don't see. I'm the superstar. You have to feed me, not you. Don't be dramatic and go, oh my God. I think we should do them across, like 2 walls here and 2 walls across from each other.
Where do you want the branch wall?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
I try to do the opposite of what you're doing. So if the silver goes, go the other side with the silver, yeah?
Okay.
Just so it looks nice. Yeah, these are big silver balloons.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Are you going to paint that?
Which one?
Painting?
I'm gonna paint all of them if I can. I want to see what it looks like first. I want to try it with this. I'm gonna put the bubble machine behind this one, and then this is just all like these, and then you have the Mylar one, and then you have the neon one. Open it. Yeah, it is. Look, it's hitting it. You can do it, Superman!
Oh my God, I'm going to put this in my backyard.
You know what I feel like you need to do? Maybe we do the 40 here and put all these balloons right here. So we're gonna do the flowers all the way.
That's a great packaging.
We're gonna plug that?
Yes, I do.
So there's electricity up there. So what I would do is get up there. So do one over here, and then one over there where that orange light is. And then let's just mix. So what I'm doing right now, so I got the pedestal. This is what the cake's gonna be on. And they're gonna roll it out. I had him put it on rollers. The problem is I don't like the way that it's painted because when you spray paint it versus you know, brush it onto the wood, it has a different feeling and texture. So I decided, since I don't have it the way I want, I'm gonna cover it with Mylar paper. Yeah, I'm saying that's why that's not what I'm saying, boo-boo. What I'm saying is you should, like, for instance, where you're doing this, right? Go up on top and come down. Look at your cake table. Look at what's happening right there, right now. So I've created a couple backdrops for the party. My sister-in-law, Yana, is very, very artsy and also kind of weird in her head. So I had to create a couple of weird stuff for her. As you can see, we've taken these out of tubing and created this backdrop. It's 8x8. I might put some black UV paint on it. And then I'm doing this one as well. And these are all great wood branches that is painted black and framed, and then I'm gonna do the UV lighting too. So we're gonna get this effect on it, and I think I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 different colors if I'm not making a mistake. If I like this effect on it, tomorrow I'll do the other 2 backdrops so the same way. If you look at what's going on right now, it's in the process, it's not completely finished. What I'm doing is I'm trying to bring in all that Mylar and iridescent and all that like lighting to play a big part of the design. Let's go look at the cake pedestal table that's being made. See, I think this looks so much more chicer this way. And the cake will be on top, and I think this will be a really cool rolled out cake table. So there's the other 2 over there, the backdrops that are not finished. So we'll work on that. One of them is gonna have a neon light, and that's just gonna be a Mylar. So this is the other backdrop, which is another 8x8 panel that we're doing all this Mylar backdrop with the lights. I think this is gonna be stunning. I can't wait until I see the photo opportunity areas for the guests to like enjoy themselves. So you know I'm a magician, I always say this. So I want you to come back tomorrow and you're gonna see the magic that I create. Hey everyone, so this is day 2. Last night we got out of here at a decent hour. There's a little twerks and changes we made last night that hopefully you'll get to see it. You'll be able to, I know it's not big, but it's what I had in the warehouse. Hi Naz. So the cake table is gonna be right here. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have subscribed. Peace out.